look beyond the smoke. When you need tight turning, unmatched maneuverability, and an easy-to-operate apparatus, you need a Sutphen SPH 100 with Link Manufacturing's rear suspension. With its proven design and extreme testing, Sutphen's SPH 100 remains unmatched in the mid-mount aerial market. Used by fire departments across the United States and around the world, Sutphen's customers continue to be their biggest advocates.
So we've been a Sutphen customer for over 100 years. We rely not only on the quality of the apparatus, but the customer service after the sale. And as a fire chief, the service after the sale is almost more or equally important as the quality of the truck. It's a much better product from the beginning, from the ground up, from the frame rails, to the axles that are being used, to the suspension system, to the pumps that are being used. The engineering that goes into the truck is far superior to any other manufacturer out there. The Sutphen SPH 100 is our pride and joy. It is the #1 truck in our fleet. We use it throughout the entire county. And the quality of the truck, the reliability, and the amount of time that we put into this truck is a reflection of the engineering that's gone into building it.
While Sutphen's SPH 100 is known for its emergency capabilities once on scene, the ride to the scene is just as critical. Through partnership with Link Manufacturing, Sutphen provides not just a dependable and durable truck, but a truck that is easy to maneuver and operate through any environment. With Link Manufacturing's Air-Link tandem drive suspension, you can expect reduced tail swing, roll stability, maximum articulation, along with smooth ride quality and maximum maneuverability. Sutphen's rear air suspension is easy to service and extremely durable. Rather than working through expensive and difficult to work with springs or rear steer, your truck will encounter minimal downtime when serviced. Sutphen's standard rear air suspension separates roll stability from ride quality, where competitor spring suspension system blends the two. This means that with Sutphen's air suspension, you can both stabilize the ride while also improving ride quality. Born from the crane and over-the-road trucking industry, Link's Air Ride system protects and stabilizes your aerial device for a reduction in wear and tear. How does Sutphen create such a practical and comfortable ride? With Sutphen's standard Air-Link tandem drive suspension, the suspension is truly unmatched. Here are some highlights. 1. The high-quality air springs are proven to isolate the chassis structure from road vibration stress. They have internal secondary rubber joust stops, which allows the suspension to work even without air in case of loss of air pressure. 2. The mounting system has an engineered bolt pattern providing maximum strength and reduced stress on the frame. 3. The Air-Link comes standard with dual height control valves to independently manage each side of the suspension and maintain optimum vehicle ride height independent of load levels. 4. The Air-Link has an exclusive Link Coat anti-corrosion solution to protect like no other. 5. The Air-Link is rated for 100% off-highway rating, so it will have the durability necessary for fire truck applications. 6. The heavy-duty shock absorbers are tuned for optimized ride characteristics. 7. The trunnion tube that interconnects the walking beams creates improved roll stability. 8. The walking beams are designed with a rugged box construction that evenly distributes the load and provides maximum articulation and better traction. 9. The bushings are polyurethane construction and no lubrication is necessary, which means reduced maintenance associated costs. Engineered for both extreme duty and extreme maneuverability, Sutphen's SPH 100 is firefighter tested and firefighter approved. Through Sutphen's meticulous design processes and Link Manufacturing's rear suspension, the Sutphen SPH 100 provides unmatched maneuverability and a back end that follows your driving plane. Highlighted here through the Sutphen cone drill, you can see how minimal Sutphen's tail swing truly is. With a swing of less than 2 feet, even beginner drivers can feel comfortable and confident in driving an SPH 100.
This 236-inch wheelbase mixed with the Link premium suspension that is in it will let this truck outperform any of the competition. And a lot of these big cities have very narrow streets, and that's why it's the truck of choice. I've seen this suspension working with this outperform tillers. And the way this suspension comes in and the ease of installation and the performance has outweighed any suspension that Sutphen's ever used.
Look beyond the smoke and understand what makes the Sutphen 100-foot mid-mount aerial the best in its class.